Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone. To begin, open the Wallet app on your device. You'll then tap the plus sign, which is located in the upper right corner, to add a new card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to either scan your card or manually enter its details. Finally, verify your card with your bank. This might involve a quick text message or a brief phone call to confirm. When you're ready to pay in a store, the process is quick and secure. If your iPhone has Face ID, simply double-click the side button and glance at your phone to authenticate. For those with Touch ID, just rest your finger on the Home button. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark appear on your screen. There's no need to open an app beforehand. Using Apple Pay for online purchases and within apps is incredibly convenient. When you're checking out, simply look for the distinctive Apple Pay button. Select it as your preferred payment method. You'll then confirm your purchase using either Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Your shipping and billing information will automatically populate from the details you've saved in your Wallet app, saving you valuable time. Managing your cards and understanding Apple Pay's robust security features is straightforward. You can easily access the Wallet app to view all your added cards, review recent transactions, and adjust various settings. It's simple to set a default card for payments or remove old ones. For your security, Apple Pay uses a unique device-specific number and a one-time transaction code, ensuring your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or Apple servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.